You're gonna love this finger food.
Today I'm making one of the easiest things that you could make with pizza dough.
This ham and cheese stromboli is so simple to make and only requires a few ingredients. It's perfect for a game day snack. It tastes good warm or cold, so you could bring it chilled to a party. And I even serve it for dinner with a veggie on the side. Preheat the oven to 400. This is my favorite way to stretch pizza dough right now. Start with the dough that's been left out at room temp for at least an hour. It makes it so much easier to stretch. I add a teaspoon flour to parchment paper, add the dough, and using a rolling pin, I roll out the dough until it's about a ½ inch thick. Very thin, no holes. Shape it into a long rectangle, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Add a teaspoon garlic powder and black pepper, and then layer the fillings down in the center. Add about a ½ cup of freshly shredded cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, and down the center add 4 large slices of ham. Add another ¼ cup of the cheddar and mozzarella, and 3 more slices of deli ham. Finish with another ¼ cup of the cheeses, and then it's time to shape. Fold in the 2 short ends first, then fold in the sides to form a long log, making sure the dough fully covers all of the filling. Transfer the stromboli seam side down to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush the top with about a teaspoon of olive oil and sprinkle with a ¼ teaspoon kosher salt. Bake at 400 for 20 to 25 minutes. It is not done until the outside is perfectly golden brown. Once it comes out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then slice it and serve with some pizza sauce. I do have a recipe for really easy homemade pizza sauce at sipbitego.com. You're gonna love this ham and cheese stromboli. If you like easy recipes, make sure to join my Foodie Fridays email list. See you in the next video.